for untied grants.
NPP leader and working president Marquis Marak said that people in the constituency are not happy with the Congress candidate and the fight is now between the NPP and the TMC. The NPP and TMC have already started its campaign in the constituency as leaders from both the TMC and NPP are making a beeline to the constituency to woo the voters. Marak said that people in the constituency are enthusiastic to go with the ruling this time as the party has 31 MLAs and moreover there are 50 MLAs who are now supporting the MDA government. Admitting that the TMC have a good support, he added that the party is giving a good fight to the NPP with their sitting MDC who is the candidate and few MLAs.
People are not happy with the candidate, especially the Congress candidate. What I'm learned from the constituency, from the ground zero, and yes, you are right. There will be a fight between TMC also. So basically, people also knows the politics very well. In whatever may be the strategy they are putting in, but then the numbers it shows in the assembly now. Presently, the NPP is having 31 MLAs of NPP alone.
The Meghalaya